Hey everyone, what's up? Today I have for you guys my January Boxycharm unboxing, and as you can see I already have a full face of makeup on, so I'm not going to be trying out the products that I got in my box, and there's a reason for that. I did already open up my box and I kind of looked through it, and I wasn't feeling that many of the products to where I wanted to really try them out on my face, or some of them were products that I kind of already have something similar, so I didn't want to use. I just kind of wanted to put it in a giveaway or something for you guys. So I'm just going to be going through all of the products that I got in my box this month and showing you guys them and telling you their prices and things like that. So for those of you guys who do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service, and every month you get full-size makeup or skincare products, or sometimes we get brushes and tools and things like that. So before I get into all of the products that I got in my box this month, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'm also doing a huge giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, I will have a link in my description box below. So today's post notification shout out goes to Dakota Madison. Thank you so much for having your post notifications turned on. If you guys want a chance to be featured in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have your notifications turned on. So let's just go ahead and get started. So whenever you open it up, there is always a little card like this. So I'm just gonna read that. So the theme this month is boxy and chill. Let's see, the first thing on top, this is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I feel like we get products from this brand all the time, and I'm really picky about my hair care products, so I never really use the Briogeo stuff that we get. I always put it in giveaways. I've heard really good things about this brand. I personally just haven't used any of their products. I feel like we get a little bit too much of these products from this brand in Boxycharm. But I have heard really good things about it. But yeah, I'm going to be putting this in one of my upcoming giveaways. So this is a 2-ounce spray bottle, and the retail price of this is $12. It says that it restores your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. It's infused with ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. It says that it detangles wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. So yeah, this will be in one of my upcoming giveaways. So the next thing that I got in my box is actually super exciting, but I'm not going to be keeping this because I'm pretty sure I already have this liquid lipstick just in the old packaging. So this is the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Havana Nights. So this liquid lipstick is $20. It's a matte liquid lipstick. It says that it stays in place all day and has minimal transfer. I do really like the Ofra liquid lipstick formula, by the way, you guys. It says that they're really comfortable, it's infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, and that your lips will look and feel healthy all day. So this is a really pretty shade, but once again, I'm pretty sure I already have this, so this will probably be in one of my upcoming giveaways as well. So pretty much this whole Boxycharm box is probably going to go to one of you guys. So the next thing that I got in my box, I was really excited about. I did see a sneak peek of this product on Instagram or something, and there were 3 different ones that you could get. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. So this palette is $36. It says that it's limited edition. This is the highlighting eyeshadow palette. So it says that it has 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude. So this is not really the palette that I was hoping for. I really wanted the pink one. So this one is probably going to go in a giveaway as well. I can't decide if I want to keep it or not. It is really pretty. So here is what the packaging looks like. I do already have one of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palettes that I also got in a Boxycharm that I love. So that's why I don't know if I can justify keeping this one as well. It is really pretty though. Who knows? I may end up deciding to keep it. I'm not sure yet, but this has a bunch of super pretty shimmery shades in it. I do wish it had more than one transition shade. Oh, these look so pretty. Now I'm second guessing myself. If you get Boxycharm, leave me a comment down below with which palette you got, because I really want to know who got the pink palette. So the next thing that I got in my box is from the brand Billion Dollar Brows. I have never heard of this brand before. This is their Universal Brow Pencil. So this pencil has the brow little crayon, whatever you want to call this thing on one side. It does look like a pretty good shade. And then on the other side is a nice spoolie. I wish it was a little bigger, but so this is an $18 brow pencil. It says that it's supposed to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. So once again, I'm not going to be keeping this probably because I'm just like already, you know, so set on my current brow products that I already use that I don't really feel like I need this. Also, I never really use a pencil to do my brows. I always use like some kind of pomade or something. So yeah, probably gonna pass this along to you guys. And then the last thing that came in the box is really exciting. I didn't even know that these existed. These are the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. So we got 2 of these masks. These are $24. And it says that they nourish skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, don't know what that is, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant, dewy, luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. So there's a coupon code on here. It says free gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tasha.com. Code is Boxy19. It says it's valid till February 7th. So I'm really excited about these masks. You guys know that I'm obsessed with this brand in general. So I am going to be keeping these most likely, or maybe I'll keep one and give one to you guys. I'm not sure yet, but I'm really excited to try these out. This will probably end up in like an Instagram video. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on there because I do post other like little mini tutorials and pictures. I do a lot of like eye posts, like you'll probably see this eye look somewhere on my Instagram as well. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of January. I feel like overall it was a really good box. Like we got a lot of high-end brands. I mean, we got Tarte, Ofra, Tatcha. Briogeo was also at Sephora. The only thing that wasn't like a name brand that I knew was the brow pencil. So overall it was a really good box this month. I just feel like I didn't need some of the products that I got, which is okay because I can always put them in one of my upcoming giveaways. You guys always appreciate when I do that. So if you guys get a Boxycharm, leave me a comment down below with what you guys got in your box this month. I'm not sure if there was different variations between other products besides just like the eyeshadow palettes. I do know that the eyeshadow palettes did have a few options, but I'm not sure about anything else in the box. Maybe like the brow pencil, or maybe this had something else. I'm not sure. So make sure you guys leave me a comment down below with what you guys got. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'm gonna have all of the products that I mentioned in this video linked in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. And I will also have a link to my other social media accounts like my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page there if you guys want to follow me on those as well. And make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications of when I post new videos. I do post notification shout outs now. So if you guys want a chance to be featured in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell and then comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and then you'll have a chance to be featured in one of my upcoming videos. So that is all I really have to say. So thank you guys so much for watching.